Okay, what's up, YouTube? Gonna do an update video here on the 3 dikan inverters here in my backyard, which are still here. There's my dog. And if you're wondering why the camera quality is different, it's because I'm filming in wide mode. And if you haven't noticed, well, if you did notice, I've been filming on wide mode on my channel very recently. I don't think I actually uploaded those videos. No, I didn't. I don't think I did. But the model number is RXS24DVJU. Serial number is E003242. And I believe this is a 2.5 ton unit. Refrigerant R410A. And this model, all 3 of these are actually heat pumps. And it was manufactured in the 3rd week of 2008, which you can see right there. They're not in the best condition here. As you can see, the coil guard on this one is definitely starting to come off. And this coil isn't in the best of shape, but it's decent, to say the least. These things could definitely use a decent cleaning. I can tell you that for sure. Let's go ahead and, there you go, dikan inverter. And these things have 3 fan blades in them. I don't know if you can see that, but you probably can. There's the other one. Mind you, all these are actually from 2008. Yeah. This is the only one that has a data sticker still intact on it. But I need to actually take these out. If we go over here, this right here is the panel for this one. As you can see, I don't know if you can. Oh yeah, there you go. It says R410A. All of these have R410A refrigerant in them. So yeah, they're not R22 like the Temp Star back there, but let's go ahead and show the indoor units now. I don't know. Oh, there's the Temp Star right there. It's off. Surprisingly, probably just turned off. Here's the indoor units for the inverters. Now, I moved the C4 so I have more room to get to them, so I can show you them a little bit better. But this is basically what they look like on the inside. There's your control panel. That's actually a button. This is the air vent that's supposed to blow the cold air into the house, or hot air. There's the data tag for the indoor units. Let's see. Air conditioner / heat pump. Model number is FTX S24DVJU. Serial number is E05407, made in the third week of 2008. And these indoor units are also 2.5 ton, I believe, because it says 24,000 BTUs on this data tag. And I'm not even sure if this one has a data tag on it. It's probably on the bottom there. But if it is on the bottom, I don't think it would be that readable. Like, that data tag is basically brand new. Here's the filter for it. I have to put you down so I can put it back in it. But can't really. This thing does not want to go in. Oh, there you go. There we go. Sorry about that. I could have paused the camera, but I didn't feel like it. But right here we got the inside of the indoor coil. As you can see, this indoor coil is pretty messed up, as you can see. But I mean, it's not that bad. The coil is definitely deteriorating, but it's fine. I bet it'll run. I don't even know if the outdoor units run. That's the problem. We got to see about that. But here's the 05 temp star. Not running. There's Lola. It might have just shut off. Yeah, suction line is still kind of warm, but yeah. July of 05. Just recently found that out. I thought it was a 2004, but it's not. What are you doing? What are you doing, Lola? There's the dikan inverters from the deck there. Now, normally I would zoom in, but I can't because I'm filming in wide mode. But, oh, there's a second startup on video. She just started up. I don't know how well you guys heard that compressor start, but that was a good startup. That unit starts up really nicely. But I don't know what we're going to do with these. These things been sitting here for quite a while. These things have been sitting here since 2017, actually. So, I don't know. I got to take them apart, though, because I want to see what kind of compressor they have. Probably rotary, but I know they have rotary compressors, but I want to see what type of rotary, like what brand of rotary they have. And I mean, I could tell. Gotta hop over here. Now, I could probably just unscrew these, take this panel off, and see what kind of compressor it has, but there is a reversing valve down in there. I don't know if you can see it. I know I can't for sure. I need a light. But there's a reversing valve and a rotary compressor in there. Ow. I just gave myself a nice scratch on the coil guard there, which I might actually take off because It's kind of, I mean, it's kind of almost already coming off, but this is I believe this is the thermostat for, like the indoor units. I believe this is the thermostat to tell the indoor units when to come on. Like when this thing comes on, it sends power through here and it tells the indoor units to come on, I think. At least that's what I've heard, but if any of you guys know what this is, please let me know, but I think it's the thermostat for the outdoor / the indoor units. But the coils, whoa, that's a tree. It's been there. The coil on this unit is probably the best out of the three because, as you can see, this coil is basically brand new. This unit's basically brand new. This one's definitely the worst out of all the three. As you can see there, it's got a lot of coil damage on it, but that one doesn't have as much coil damage as the Tempstar, which still runs perfectly smooth. Hey, what are you doing, Yoda? My dog's by the pool. What are you doing, baby? Oh, I haven't been back here over here. I haven't been over here in quite a while, though. Lola, what are you doing? Come here. But yeah, the Tempstar is running nice and smooth. See if my phone don't fall. It didn't fall. Yeah, suction line's nice and cold, but it's not sweaty. I think it might be in the 80s today. I'm not sure, but yeah, that does say July of 05 on it. You can just barely make it out, but she's running nice and smooth. But I will update you guys on the dikan inverters. Those are the indoor units. And there's the outdoor units over there sitting.